Polling for Meghalaya ADC election is going on in full swing in Ri Bhoi District. The NPP candidate and MLA from Jirang Constituency Sosthenes Sohtun cast his vote at the Byrnihat polling station, accompanied by his supporters. Speaking to DD News Meghalaya, Sohtun stressed the importance of responsibility and hard work to ensure benefits for the people of the constituency.
Jadi baca nek benta kumunong mikmat kabagusan tam ni gede keba kecingkit kli abi don kecingkit kli happen system kuno pengilaban balance kuno penginya ya kam kuno kaji mentoy supaya bat kaji mentoy nak kita kam konsumsi kan wan pendep ya ka benta keba kumu nong sonong dari India but nampak ada industri election party segmen mabang la depan pendep kita buat ke Meghalaya mantap dengan buat ya ketingkat part di panjang sonong baru haka konsumsi bagi ni renti bali lagi police station mantap ya buat ke foto yang ki kalau ban rai nak minta noban yo economic mat mulai dan masyarakat sales atau masih function.
Sohtun is contesting the election against the BJP, VPP, the UDP and the Congress.